Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 24 by 12 foot x 52 inch Ultra XTR frame pool set with pump, ladder, pool cover, and winterizing kit. The rectangular swimming pool design is perfect for narrow backyards, lap swimmers, and pool games. This pool includes everything you need for a great pool experience, including a ladder, debris cover, ground cloth, and the powerful Krystal Clear 110 to 120 V, 2,100 gallon per hour sand filter pump. The included winterizing kit is ideal for up to 20,000 gallon, mid-sized pools. It includes everything you need for a breezy closing process: a winter floater, liquid winterizer, winter stain out, and a shox non-chlorine oxy shock treatment. Product benefits: get your pool ready for the cold with this close-down winterizing set that include 1 winter floater, 1 quart liquid winterizer, 1 quart winter stain out, and 2 pounds shox non-chlorine oxy shock treatment. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.